I am American. DJ want it. Yes, all of the gangs in Jamaica. Clean up on the behavior and give on the soul to the Savior.
You know, Mr. Footer, you represent for the woman, for the man them way. I really want to see woman come together. As if woman come together, we don't have no relevance, boy.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
I watch them on the Germany represent for Lionfoot TV. You're real G. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. Lionfoot Patriots out there.
Yes, man. Blessed love, Friday, each and every one, wherever you are. Tuning into this vlog, you know, Lionfoot was a blessed love, big up on yourself. All of my viewers and subscribers, Kings and Queen Line and Lioness, inactive and active ones, if you don't know, thank you for the support. Saying, yes, man. Remember, give thanks to life, and life is the greatest, you know, you see me? No matter how small it is, how rough it is, remember, life are the greatest. Coming up in this episode, we have Queen Ifrica address, put a hype, and Lady Sam, Marian, all in our one. Yes, we also have this young leader general here, Akif, new gent. Yes, I featured him once on the platform. I'm have to do it again because it's a good look, and if only some people would just listen to you here and follow. Him a lead by example. You see me I say, yes man. We also have General B, link up with Kawkalee in London. And I say Kawkalee, that's be money a ground. The man thing turn up, he never turn down. Yes man, I'm going to end the vlog with some snippets of my coming in EP titled Welcome to Kingston. See? When you can let me know what you think, I want to hear so far. You see me I say, but touch you know, we quick kick off the vlog with a brother upon him work. The man say fuck overtime.
You fuck overtime.
Yeah.
Me just a do me 8 hours and cut. The super tell me say the work enough, but me no give a fuck. Me just a do me 8 hours and cut. The boss a kill me with work while for your foot cock up. Me just a do me 8 hours and cut. If them want hear this and fire me no give a fuck.
Me just a do me 8 hours and cut. Me just a do me 8 hours and cut. Yo, bad vibes for the freestyle, for the work. You see me I say, big up the IGL team. You see me I say, all of the staff them. Boss, you give them more money, man. And the man may do more overtime. Big up yourself, 3 million. So moving on now, General B is currently in the UK. So me I say, big up Boombox Friday, Harry Toddler, anyway they big up. So General B link up with Kawkalee. Watch what I want.
Talk about one of the realest nigga in England. Kawkalee. Rich. I'm Mark Mosquito. I was two fellas that give me money. Two fellas that give me money. Everything drop. Everything drop. A Kawkalee. Everything drop. Mark Mosquito. What about friend them boy?
Yeah man, big up yourself, General B and Kawkalee. For viewers and subscribers, let me know if you couldn't just give General B the money in him hand, or him if you just drop it on the ground. For sure say, him think ups, swags, boy I tell you Jamaicans different, you know. Let me know what you think about that, my viewers and subscribers. Moving on now, Queen Ifrica addressing footer hype and lady sign 1.
That's all you can be. Yourself. Just try to be yourself. Not everything where you do. So that word of serendipity, go look it up. Powerful moment when you find serendipity. You know? Watch your life this morning. It's a thing mix up, fling it up over and page a child with controversial type. And instead, me I go answer, so yes. Me I answer. You know, I love alone we have face, in front of the camera and behind the camera. Black woman need a leader, you know? Black women need a leader, a proper leader. And true, we never really sign up to do no leadership role. We just know the kind of woman that we want to lead where you know. I remember you win them. You win them, sir. And you go for the best umbrella we could have find at the time, the church. You don't want to say way more than what you said on the live this morning still, but at some point your true self will come out. Because of that we love you for when you are little youth and listen to ladies, you know. That realness there, that rawness there. So yeah man, much love and respect to you man. The truth of it talk, you see me? You know, Mr. Footer, you are represent for the woman, for the man them way. I really want to see woman come together. As if woman come together, you know, no relevance, boy, I me love you too, Footer. But you have to know, say, we as black women have to get our business together because we can't depend on uno man. You see where you want South to come beat down Spice in the ground. But God never did beat her down in the ground. And she, if you fully know, say God will give her a next chance and take it. And though they still a play with the devil. But it's not our duty to hit somebody when them down. And not our practice that. So watch your mouth, Footer. You have to watch your mouth and make sure so you're true to the whole heap of struggles the way you are take up. Because the Gideon just has started. Pick up yourself, ladies, do the right thing. That you have to do.
Okay, that's the queen herself. Ifrica, speak and spoken. Yes, man. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think of what she said in this visuals, you know. Me personally, I don't say more than them for live good. I'll be a segregation in a dancehall and reggae. Everybody have their own opinion and how them feel about people, and some people want to dictate people's life and tell them how to live. You have to live and let others live and let people live them life and make them own mistake. One thing I like a Queen Ifrica say is when she say, Footer can't tell Spice or force her to do or tell her to live her life. She have to acknowledge that. So God give her a second chance because you know Spice she almost died when she did the surgery or whatever. You see me? But you my viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. So me I say, big up Queen Ifrica, big up Footer Hype, big up Mariana, big up Spice. Yeah man.
Youths, put down the guns them now. Don't throw your life away. There is a way out, some way, somehow. Youths.
Now listen to that young king here, Akif Nugent. He speaks so etiquette, immaculate, and accurate. Yeah man inspire me, he uplift me, motivate me, and I hope he does the same to the elders them, the garrison them, the youths them, we are warring a bus, one and a mash up the community. A unity we say. You hear what I say, man?
Bit about your community.
Alright, so my community is what should I say? It's like where the crime fraction is. So you'd have a set of students or children from my community and a set of students from another community, because this road and this road is in a war. The children take it up on their head and start war with the children.
Children.
Yes, so you would have children and children not talking to each other and be fighting.
Just because you live on one side of the street and I live on one side of the street. So when you see that, what do you think about that situation? As a young person, knowing that you can't talk to the friend over so because of the street.
Just me, auntie. And when I think about that, I just say, if it's this way I'm gonna live for the future generation, I don't want to be in Jamaica when this happened. But because I love my country, I did this initiative because, I want to live here and I love my country.
I want to talk a little bit about the initiative, but are you the only young person in your community who is trying to create change?
Yes.
Or do you have a lot of people, none of your friends and your peers trying to
I have peers, I drag them in. When I ask them, and sometimes them say, say I'm afraid, I drag them, say, you're coming with me because we have to stop the crime and violence in our community and bring back love and peace.
Are you scared at all?
No. And me and God walk.
Oh,
so I don't see the need.
Yes, touch me, young man, touch me. Oh my gosh.
Me go down on me knees and pray. For the youth them have tomorrow and today. Respect your parents, don't disobey. Them only want to know if you grow the right way. Bad company will lead you no astray. So don't follow them, hear what I say. Leave the guns alone with the 10 of
Akif Nugent has a bright future, and I beg and pray to the Lord to guide and protect him and cover him with the blood, and the community them shall protect him. because the youth are going to become a leader. You know what I mean? And him encourage enough youth. I hear the man say, I'm a God alone walk, him have no fear. And me and God alone walk too. You see me? Because me and the man of peace and I love myself. Big up all of the garrison them. You see me I say? Yeah man, so the youth say the violence, a spiral off and a spread. You see me? And I crawl into the youth them lives. The younger youth them because the garrison there, a war with a garrison, next door neighbor, war next door neighbor. And the youths them from both parties, both neighbor community, a war is spiral after them because them I say, yo, you know what I mean, them a war against one another too, and it leading to school and the gangs. You see it? We just want the violence and the crime for done and the youth them, the elders them, fear set away for the youths them. You see me I say, teach them the right thing. Don't teach them for bus gun. You see me I say, I'm going to kill nobody. Teach them the right way. You see me I say, yes, man, a young youth and Akif Nugent will lead the way. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. For me, this is very inspiring and motivating, and it made me Friday good right now. My Friday turn out good already from watch this 9 morning. That's why I bring it forward to Uno. Big up on yourself. Say, now I want to listen to my snippets of my coming EP titled Welcome to Kingston. Yeah, man. I beg the youth them to stop the crime. All over Jamaica, star. Stop the crime, stop the crime, stop the crime. Please, man, I beg on you. Now I'm classified as a lonely soldier. Yeah, when I hit that 6 tracks on the EP, let me know what you think. Saying, big up.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.